Hey guys, welcome back to Brit Indians. I'm Joshua. So today we are going to see what are the student discounts or offers that are available for the students in the UK. Thank you guys for the love and support that you're showering for the channel. We have reached 1000 subscribers now. Thank you all for your love and support. First, we will look into the websites that offer student discounts using your university email IDs. So in this website, you can use your university email IDs to log into them, and you can explore a lot of discounts. So the free websites are Student Beans and Unidays. So in Student Beans and Unidays, you can find a lot of discounts, especially in products like Apple, Lenovo, and also like Nike shoes, Adidas, and then in a lot of other clothing stores, makeup stuffs, and lot of discounts you can find, like they will give you 10 to 20% discount in all these shops. So you can just log into their website using your university email address, and then you can use these discounts. Next, Save the Student and Student Money Saver. These two websites are very useful to find best student deals that you can find in your area for restaurants and also for clothing stores. Next, we can see student discount cards. So if you buy these cards, you can get a lot of student discounts in many retail shops and even in cinemas. So mainly the two cards that we use in UK are Totem and ISIC card. So ISIC is the International Student ID card. It's mainly for US, but they are also accepted in some places in the UK. So for Totem card, it costs around 12 to 15 pounds per year, and the International Student ID card costs around like $15 per year. So you can buy this card and use these cards to get a lot of discounts in the shops in the UK. Next, we will see where all students can get discounts for clothing. You can use your student ID card issued by your university to get 10% discount in many shops in the UK. You just go to any shop and just ask them whether they are having student discount, and if they say yes, just produce your ID card and you can get 10% discount on anything, even in Subways, in H&M shopping. If you're going for any adventurous rides or any other main places, you have student discounts in the UK. Just go and ask anyone, any shops, anywhere you are going, just ask them whether you are having student discount and produce your ID card. You will mostly get a student discount there. So the main clothing stores that give you student discount of 10% are ASOS, Boohoo, Burton, French Connection, New Look, Office, River Island, Topman, and Urban Outfitters. And there are other shops also, like Primark. In some places they give student discounts, and also some other shops are there. So just go to the shop and ask whether they are having student discount. The food chains that are giving student discount in the UK are Ask Italian, Domino's Pizza, Giraffe, Gourmet Burger Kitchen, Krispy Kreme, McDonald's, The Cooperative, Your Sushi, Pizza Express, Las Iguanas. So in this, most of them will ask for Totem, entertainment or media, where you can claim student discount in UK, or Odeon Cinemas, Cineworld, Spotify Premium, The Guardian, Apple Music, Virgin Experience Days. In these places you can claim your student discounts. Mainly in Spotify Premium and Apple Music, they have special student offers, so you can use that, claim that using your university email ID. For health and beauty products in the UK, you can claim your student discount in Boots Opticians, Supercuts, Superdrug, The Fragrance Shop, Tony & Guy. You can also get student discounts for technology. Mainly Amazon gives 6 months of free Prime usage, and then after that they will give you reduced Prime usage for around 3.99 for students. And then you can get software for students website. You can get a lot of discount for students. And then Adobe Creative Cloud gives you student discount. Adobe, Apple for Education, HP, Microsoft Office, Norton Security. So all these gives you student discount, and Microsoft Office, using your university email ID, you can get free access to all Office 365 products. Even for travel, there are a lot of student discounts. Mainly, if you can buy 1625 rail card, which gives you 30% off in your train tickets, and then 18 plus student Oyster photo card, so you can get a 30% discount in your travel inside the London. So Oyster card is mainly for people traveling inside the London. In Megabus, you can use your NUS card to get 10% discount, and in National Express Coach, they have a special card called the Coach card. So you can use that Coach card to get discounts in the National Express bus. And then STA Travel, Student Universe, Cross Country Trains, TransPennine Express. So all these gives you a lot of student discounts for your travels. As I said before, all places mostly will have student discounts. Like 90% of the places in the UK will have student discount, even whether it's a restaurant, it's a retail shop, or it's a technology shop. Everywhere you will get student discounts, mostly a minimum of 10%, pay a maximum of 20%. So always have your student card or your BRP card, which can be used to claim these discounts. So the Totem card and the ISIC card, they also get you discounts, but it's just 10% extra than what you get in your student card. So normally your university student card gives you a lot of discounts. So always ask to anyone in the shop, just ask them whether they have a student discount. I hope this video was useful for you. If you liked the video, hit the like button, click the subscribe button, and click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video. We will meet in next video. Until then, goodbye, cheers.